Welcome back, children. In this video we will learn problems on variation. Before learning the problems, let us revise one concept which will be very helpful in our venture. Okay, say for example 2 and 3, these are two constants. You know constants, numbers, okay, with fixed values. Then 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 5 is also a constant. That means constant plus constant gives a constant. Okay, based on this we have certain concepts here. Let us revise. Okay, so k1 constant, k2 constant, constant plus constant, constant, constant minus constant gives us a new constant, constant into constant gives us a new constant, constant divided by constant gives us a new constant, constant plus constant, 2 is also a constant, no? Constant minus constant, okay, whole, you can see a big number here. Okay, that will all become a constant. Okay, this can be written as a new constant k. So similarly this also can be written as a constant. Okay, and a, b, x, y, z, they will be treated as variable. Yesterday I have taught you. Okay, now here is one question. See, if a is directly proportional to b, a directly varies with b, then b directly varies with a. That is what we have to prove. Okay, if a varies directly with b, then we have to prove b varies directly with a. So how do we prove it? Check it out. See, a directly varies with b. We know variation, convert it into equal to, we will introduce one constant k1. Okay, and then I can write k1 b is equal to a. I can write this. Okay, then k1 I can take down, 1 by k1 it will become, 1 is a constant, k1 is a constant, so 1 constant by constant gives us a new constant. You can name any thing. Okay, here I have named it as k. 1 by k1 is equal to k. You can call it k2, something like that, anything. Okay, and we already know that if we remove this constant, then this is equal to will be converted into variable. So b directly varies with a. So if a directly varies with b, b directly varies with a. How I have done this problem, you have to study it. Okay, and there is one DIY question here that you have to do. Secondly, if a varies directly with b, b directly varies with c, then we have to prove that a directly varies with c. See how we have done it. A directly varies with b. Okay, variation into is equal to, introduce one constant k1 b, so a is equal to k1 b. Equation number 1. B is directly varying with c, that is given to you. Again, variation into is equal to constant you introduce. Okay, then b is equal to k2c it becomes. Okay, then what we do, we will put b is equal to k2c here in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 is a is equal to k1b, a is equal to k1b, and instead of this b we will put k2c from equation 2. So k2c, and we know constant into constant gives us a new constant. Okay, and when constant is removed, then this is equal to will be converted back into proportion. So if a varies directly with b, b varies directly with c, then we have proved that a directly varies with c. Okay, similarly here is one question. If x directly varies with y, then we have to show that x plus y directly varies with x minus y. We have to show. Okay, or x minus y directly varies with x plus y, that we have to show. How we do it? See, this is given to us. Okay, variation you convert into is equal to, it will become k1. Okay, this k1 is a constant, this you know. Okay, we have converted variation into is equal to by introducing a constant here. Then what do we do? See here, this is very important. Okay, this type of proof will be used many times in future. Okay, now if you want to prove this varies directly with this, no, then what you do is you bring this down in the denominator directly. Okay, you see this step very carefully. Okay, if you can understand this, you will understand many problems. Okay, then you see this can be written as x is k1y, k1y, x is k1y, y is y. Okay, then what you do, y common, you can take, y cancels, then all what remains are the constants, and all these constants can be written as a single constant. So this can be written as k. See, study it very carefully. This can be written as k here. See, then below k you can consider 1, and is equal to 1 by, if you cross multiply you get x plus y is equal to k into x minus y. Okay, and if you remove this constant, this is equal to will be converted into variation. Okay, so we have proved that if this is directly varying with this, then this directly varies with this. But see this step, see this method, see this process very carefully, because I am going to use this many a times. Okay, and then here is one DIY problem similarly. Okay, and one last question we have here. See, if x plus y varies directly with x minus y, then you have to prove this. In the previous we proved this from this. Here you have to prove this from this. Okay, now what we do similarly, see, variation you convert into is equal to, introduce one constant. Okay, then you bring this down. Oh, okay, then you multiply this k1 into x1 x plus minus minus k1 into y. Okay, then bring this x this side, minus k1 y same, plus y, you take that side, minus y, it will become. Then you take x common, you take y common from here. Okay, only y, not minus y, so minus will remain inside. Okay, I have not taken minus common. Okay, then you bring this y down and this down. Then this is a constant gives us a single constant. Okay, then you cross multiply, you get x is equal to ky by ky. Then if you remove this constant from is equal to, then this is equal to will be converted into variation. So this you can write. Okay, similarly you can prove this problem using componendo and dividendo from the proportion, which I will teach you later on. Okay, so how we do it from this step, what you do is, you bring this down. Okay, then you use the componendo dividendo. In componendo dividendo, what you do is, if this is divided by this, this is divided by this, then you do this plus this minus this. Okay, when you minus, remember this bracket. Similarly, this plus this minus this. Okay, and then you open the bracket, y will get cancelled. Here x will get cancelled, 2x by 2y will remain, 2 gets cancelled, then this will be left. Then you cross multiply, then remove this constant, you get x directly proportional to y. Okay, all right, study it very carefully, and here is one DIY question.